So we're gonna remove this left rear door off this car. So I took off this panel from here. I unplugged this door. So this is gonna this for the harness for the rear door, electrical part of it. So I just unplugged it from here. So this is part of it. I just took it off of here. So what I had to do is I had to lift up this part with this tool that I have here. So what I did is I lift this part up and then it just slid out. So what I'm going to use here is a 12 millimeter socket. Oops. So now I'm going to open up this door, and you gotta make sure you have a good grip on it. Oh, there's a 10 millimeter socket on the other side. Take your out. All right, this comes off. And we're gonna take that. Oops. There you go. Comes out like that. Did you grab it? All right. And that's how you take out the driver's side door, rear door.